Hello, everyone. A very good afternoon to all of you. So, we already covered up to Unit 4, all the topics being covered, and then we have gone through assignments also. I have checked your assignments and found that maximum of you correctly answered the questions that I have asked. It's a very good thing. Now, we come to the last unit of your syllabus, that is research methodology. And in this unit 5, basically this unit 5 is for data analysis part. The important topic of this unit is data analysis using Excel. Yes, data analysis using Excel. Now, you know this unit is basically more practical in nature than theoretical. I know that many of you have already very aware with the Excel functions, or I can say that how to analyze the data in Excel. But still, I have to say that whether you know that part or not. Don't worry, what I'll do that I'll share few lectures of mine with you in the comment box and means in the description part of this video. You go and attend all of those lectures. My question is that whatever the topics you have learned from those lectures, you will let me know through comments. Okay, do not skip anyone. What you will do, you will practically do that part. Are you getting now what I'm saying? Means every lecture you'll see that I am explaining the theoretical part as well as with some practical. You will note down the theoretical parts from your point of view, means whatever means in which way you want to write or you want to know, that's your choice. But what I want that you should do the practicals that are mentioned in those videos. Okay. Now, whenever you are attending these videos, you will note down the topics titles and you will let me know those titles or comments of this video that you will do. You will complete that task by 5 p.m. It may take few more minutes, not a problem, but by the end of today or this 6th of May, you'll complete all the lectures, all the practicals, and you will do the comment part, means you'll answer the means whatever the topics you learn through the videos by comment by mentioning your roll number. That is everything you need to do for today, right? So when I'll get your comments, I'll know that you got those topics. If any confusion in any topic, you will also let me know. But don't skip this part. Very soon we are going to end this syllabus section, all the topics. Then I will conduct 2 tests of this research database. Okay, the covering all the units, 2 tests, test 1 and test 2. In the whoever is getting the best mark in either of the tests, it's very good because I'm going to take the average mark of these 2 tests to calculate 15 marks for your academic evaluations. Okay, so all the best, do the practicals and let me know. Thank you.